In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive diagrams in draw.io. By the end, you'll know how to set up layers, add clickable actions, and export your work so those interactions come alive in a browser. First, head to draw.io at app.diagrams.net. You can use it in your browser or connect it to your preferred storage. If you're starting from scratch, choose a blank diagram or a template. If you already have a file, open it up. Give your diagram a clear name so it's easy to track versions as you go. Next, open the Layers panel by going to View, then Layers. This panel is the control center for what shows or hides in your diagram. Create a dedicated background layer for your static elements like frames, titles, or grids. Then add separate layers for the content you plan to toggle on and off. Think annotations, drill down details, or alternate flows. Name each layer descriptively, and consider locking the background layer so you don't move it by accident. If you've already placed shapes, assign them to the right layer to keep things organized. Now let's make elements interactive. Right-click any shape you want to use as a button and choose Edit Link. Instead of a traditional URL, you can add JSON-based actions that tell the diagram what to do when that shape is clicked. For example, you can configure actions to toggle, show, hide, or highlight specific elements, layers, or even navigate to another page in the file. A simple example might be action, toggle, layer, details. Keep your layer and page names exact. Typos will break the interaction. You can add multiple actions in one link if you want to sequence effects, like hiding one layer while showing another. To make smarter groups, right-click an icon or shape and choose Edit Data. Add key value pairs that describe the element and include a tag key you'll use to group related items. For instance, tag several shapes with the same value like server or priority high. With those tags in place, your link actions can target all elements sharing that tag, letting you highlight or select them at once. An example might look like action, highlight, tag, server. When your interactions are set, save your diagram so you don't lose your work. Finally, export as an HTML file by going to File, Export as HTML. Enable options that include layers and interactions, then export. Open the HTML in a web browser to test your clicks, confirm layers are toggling correctly, and share the file with others for an interactive viewing experience.